Welcome to our review channel for essential kitchen utensils. Today, we're going to talk about this incredible Calphalon cookware set. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the news. Leave your like to help us grow, and watch until the end to check out all the details of this in-depth review. To make things easier, we've left the secure link to the website that sells this Calphalon cookware set in the description. The Calphalon 13-piece stainless steel kitchen cookware set with aluminum core is a robust and versatile addition to any kitchen, designed to provide exceptional cooking performance and longevity. This set includes a variety of pots, pans, and inserts, ensuring you have the right tool for every culinary task. The cookware boasts a 3-ply metal construction, combining the durability of stainless steel with an aluminum core for superior heat distribution. This design allows for consistent searing, browning, and sauteing, ensuring that your food cooks evenly without hot or cold spots. One of the standout features of this set is its even heat distribution, thanks to the heavy-gauge aluminum core. This core not only heats up quickly but also retains heat effectively, providing a responsive cooking surface that adapts well to temperature changes. This makes it possible to achieve professional-level precision, whether you're simmering a delicate sauce or searing a steak. The stainless steel surface is also metal utensil safe, which adds to the durability and versatility of the cookware. Cleaning and maintenance are hassle-free with this set. All pieces are dishwasher safe, allowing for easy cleanup after meals. Additionally, the cookware is oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the flexibility to transition from stovetop to oven seamlessly. This feature is particularly useful for recipes that require finishing in the oven, such as braised dishes or baked casseroles. The set includes 10-inch fry pan, 12-inch fry pan with cover, 1.5 QT saucepan with cover, 2.5 QT saucepan with cover, 5 QT saute pan with cover, 8 QT multi-pot with cover, pasta insert, and steamer insert. Each piece is constructed with durable 3-ply metal, ensuring long-lasting performance. The cookware is also compatible with all stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and glass, thanks to its magnetic stainless steel construction. The long handles are designed to stay cool on the stovetop, enhancing safety and ease of use. Positive points: durable construction. The 3-ply metal construction ensures longevity and durability, making it a worthwhile investment. Even heat distribution. The aluminum core provides excellent heat distribution for consistent cooking results. Versatility. This set includes a variety of pieces suitable for different cooking tasks and is compatible with all stovetops, including induction. Ease of cleaning. Dishwasher safe components make cleanup straightforward and effortless. Oven safe. Can withstand temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for versatile cooking techniques. Negative points. Weight. The heavy-duty construction makes these pots and pans relatively heavy, which might be challenging for some users. Handle heat. While the handles are designed to stay cool, they can still get warm during extended cooking sessions. Why you should or should not buy. If you are looking for a high-quality, durable cookware set that offers excellent heat distribution and versatility, the Calphalon 13-piece stainless steel kitchen cookware set is an excellent choice. Its robust construction and even heating make it ideal for both everyday cooking and more elaborate recipes. The ease of cleaning and oven-safe features add to its convenience, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. However, if you prefer lightweight cookware or if you have limited storage space, you might want to consider these factors before purchasing. Overall, this set is a great investment for serious home cooks who value performance and durability. Let me know in the comments what you think of this Calphalon cookware set, and if you have any questions, let me know so I can answer them. If you've watched this far, don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss any new videos.